How to set up two-factor authentication on Koinpark. To set up your two-factor authentication, go to your dashboard. After that, check for the security field and click on it. In the first field, click on Turn on Two-Factor Authentication. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email. Enter it in the field below and click Submit. Download the Google Authenticator extension and add it to your Chrome browser. Open the Authenticator and scan the QR code or copy the given key and do a manual entry as illustrated here. Fill the issuer field with your name or any text for your personal reference, and in the secret field, paste the copied key, then click OK. Now, you will get an authentication code. Paste the most recent code in the field below. At last, you will get a notification showing two-factor authentication enabled successfully.